New APIDICTOR mode is designed to monitor the condition of the bee family and the queen, using Eddywood's method. In this mode, on the screen, you can see two devices, a round indicator with an arrow, which is indicating the strength of the signal warble or singing the hive, and the second, in the form of a graph, shows the form of the signal hiss, the response of the bees, to the strike with the hand by the hive. The combination of these signals allows, using the Woods method, to diagnose the condition of bee family. The method can be read in the instruction or in the text box on the screen. So, the transition to new APIDICTOR mode is carried out by pressing the corresponding button on the screen of the device. In the new APIDICTOR mode, the instrument has 5 controls. Rotating regulator changes the scale of the right screen when the mic toggle switch is turned on, increasing or decreasing the microphone gain, and thereby changing the pulse size. The gain, established by default, is generally suitable for work, but you can try to find your own variant. The main thing is that the pulse, seen when you striking the hive, must not go out of the screen vertical dimensions. Rotating regulator changes the scale of the right screen when the zoom toggle switch is turned on, increasing or decreasing from 6 to 90 seconds, the time interval visible on the screen, and correspondingly, narrowing or widening the pulses visible on the screen. The reset button is used in this mode to set the basic noise value in the hive, at which the control starts. As a rule, bees must be not disturbed at this moment. Before starting work in the new APIDICTOR mode, place the device so that you can clearly see the beehive signals in the monitoring mode. Use a wired or built-in microphone. Measurement is best to be done in that part of the hive where there is a maximum number of bees, which will respond to your blow on the hive. Go to new APIDICTOR mode and press reset button as soon as you see a moving graph on the right screen. Setup takes 10 seconds. After this, the line should move near zero level. If not, press the button again. Once you get a satisfactory result, you can work with your beehive. The start button is already pressed when the mode is switched on and the graph moves, drawing a picture of the signal in real time. If you will press the button again, you will freeze the chart in order to be able to view it better. At this moment, you can use the rotary regulator with the zoom toggle on to expand or narrow the visible interval and accordingly visible dimensions of the pulse. Clicking on the screen in the area of graph, you can increase the picture of indicators and graphics on the whole screen, but you lose the ability to use the control buttons. So, after adjusting the device with the reset button, you can make strikes on the hive. And see at the screen the waveform corresponding to the response of the bees. And according to the shape of the signal, to predict the condition of the family and of the queen.